Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So this unboxing should be from Saner Direct. They contacted me and asked if I wanted to do a review, and well, you know, I've actually done a diamond painting from Saner Direct, so I said sure, I'll do a review. So this, they do sell on Amazon, and they also gave me a promotional link so that you should be able to get 5% off on the items. Let me see, what did they... Okay, so I said they were Saner Direct, but I think they're selling these on Amazon under Saner Craft, but I think they are the same people. So they did let me get two, so so yeah, here is, they're in these boxes flat, so you probably won't have to iron or anything. And it looks like, ooh, this looks like a nice, I'm trying to see if I could figure out which one is which, but nope. They did allow me to choose which kits to try out, but they also did give me a link to a promotional code link, so you should be able to get these 5% off. Okay, so here is whatever I ended up getting as the first one. Oh, okay. Oh, ooh, is that all? Okay, so they do come flat in this box, and look at this toolkit. This is really, really awesome. Like, I don't think I have this boat, so always nice to have new things. So it looks like there is 3 pens with a 3-placer, and I don't know, a 5-placer and a 8-placer maybe. Ooh, lots of baggies. Well, not lots, but maybe like 5. Lots of wax. And this is what I was looking at. I was like, oh, look at, I don't think I have this tray. So in case you want to see how this, so here is the Mosfet Tray. So it is bigger than the Mosfet Tray. And if you have just one of the regular big white trays, it's actually, looks like it's the same size as the big white tray. But it does have this pen holder. That's what I think it is. So to hold your pen. I'm not sure why you would need to hold your pen when you're with your tray, but it's a nice tray. So I think I like that. And it looks like there's only one toolkit with the 4 canvases. So that's nice, because sometimes you need that many toolkits. And it looks like there's an inventory sheet. I like that. So I'm just opening it just so that I can see the inventory sheet. Otherwise, it's just gonna stay in there. So yeah. Okay, so this looks like it's my landscape 4-pack. So there's gonna be 4 landscapey, like they're all kind of sunset diamond painting. So there is a inventory sheet, which I like because I do like using these to make my labels. You don't normally see like inventory sheets in these things that you get from like Amazon, and these are square drills. So the last Saner Direct 4-pack that I bought a while back is a round drill, so I haven't done a square from Saner Direct. So, but from what I remember of the round drills, their drill quality was really, really good. So I'm excited to try their squares. So there's the 4, and since they do come flat, we'll be able to see it right away. So, okay, so the outside, like, this is like a fancy, I think, budget-friendly diamond painting. Like, look at, there's like all the stuff that fancy diamond painting companies do, like with these scalloped edges, because you usually only see that in the more expensive diamond painting stores. And this is a really nice feeling canvas. Like, I think this, even if this was rolled up, I think it would have just flattened right away, because yeah, it doesn't feel as plasticky as a lot of canvases. But yeah, I'm really surprised, because my last one from Saner Direct wasn't this nice, so I'm guessing they've changed a lot of things. And considering that this 4-pack is, okay, so the 4-pack on Amazon is right now, while I'm looking at this, is $15.99. There should be a 5% off promotional link that they gave me. So if you do like these, go check them out. So the first item is this boat with a sunset. You can't really see it that well. Let me see if I open more lights, will you have... I forgot to open my extra lights. Will you have a better... It is a square, so the canvas does not have to... The canvas print does not have to match the drills because it'll get covered up. But from looking at it, it does look like the print looks really clear. It looks like there's white symbols for the darker colors and then dark symbols for the lighter colors. There are DMC numbers in this. There's 31 colors in this image here. It looks like it's mostly letters, a few symbols, but not too much. But yeah, I'm actually just surprised that the canvas is just like, it looks like a premier kind of canvas. So considering it's a budget-friendly price. So here is the second one. It looks like it's this pier that's going into the sunset. Okay, maybe. So yeah, here, this one. It's the pier going into the sunset. And this one has 36 colors. So I like that. They're not skimping on the colors, because a lot of the budget-friendly diamond paintings only have like the low 20 colors, below 30 colors. So I'm always happy when there's way more colors in something. The legend is actually printed really, really tiny. Kind of wish they just made it bigger, but yeah, it does. This one looks like there's a little bit more symbols than I like, but I'm not going to draw them because I do have a inventory. Oops, this is the wrong one. This is the pier. There is an inventory sheet with the DMC numbers and the symbols, so nope, no need to draw them. But yeah, this one looks like they're really clear symbols too. But yeah, here is the second one. The third one looks like it should be this image. It's a sunset on, I don't know, a walkway with, I don't know what those are called. Something tail, right? So yeah, here is the next one, and this one also looks very clear, and this one has 30 colors. And yeah, more symbolage than I like, but I should be used to doing that more diamond paintings you do. So I'm hoping it'll turn out. And then here's the last image, which, let me find the drills for it. It should be this image here. It's another kind of sunset, sunrise image. Can you see it? And this one has 32 colors, also with DMCs and mostly normal-ish symbols, so nothing too crazy. But yeah, so here's the first one, which I'm gonna call the Sunset series of landscapes. Okay, let me move this out of the way. And oh yeah, and all of these are squares. So if you want to try out squares or something, and these might be good ones to try out because they are pretty affordable and they're on Amazon. So if you're questioning whether to try out like the China-based diamond painting companies and would rather just try something on Amazon, this might be something you want to try. So I have another 4-pack here. Woo! Okay. So it does look like it's the same toolkit, which is awesome, and I really like that there's only one because I have so many toolkits. So yeah, these are also squares, and they also do come with the what do you call these? The inventory sheets. So yeah, this one is a flower set. So it's really, really hard to see it printed, whether it'll turn out, because I think these were printed, like, since they're squares, they will just be covered and you can't tell what what's on there. So a lot of like AliExpress diamond paintings you get that are squares, they also get printed this way where it's really hard to tell if it'll turn out. I'm just going to be hopefully optimistic that it'll turn out. So this first image here, it should be this image here. It looks like some roses, and these are also squares. So this actually has a lot more just letters. There are 30 colors on this, and there are DMC numbers. The print on this looks really, really good also. I don't think, so I'm giving it the thumbs up for the light pad not needed. Yeah, looks like it's light pad not needed. Although I did notice, okay, so on the canvas, on the legend, it says V is white, but when I saw the V's on the canvas, it is a black symbol. So there is a weird disconnect between the legend and this, but I can still read the V. I just noticed it because I was going to say, oh, look, there's no white symbols. But yeah, here's the first image. And then here's the second image. It should be these flowers in the vase here, these purple flowers in the vase. And like the other one, it is hard to tell whether it'll turn out since it is a square, and they don't tend to always color match a square on the canvas. So this one has 25 colors. The legend is really small on this one, so I'm glad it has this. See, look at how big the inventory sheet is. So you don't have to read the little tiny print on the legend here, because it is, the print on the legend is smaller than the diamond painting squares. So yeah. So yeah, I think this will turn out nice. Oh, look, there's a symbol that looks like scissors. Does that look like scissors? It looks like X there, but it looks like scissors. So this one has some kind of strange symbols, but I think it'll be fine. Okay, so this one is, you might have seen me do this same exact image before. It was a 40 by 50, and I was unhappy with the result. And I'm hoping doing it from a different company, what's it called? I'll get a much better result. And I realized I did not measure these. So these should all be 30 by 40s, but I'm guessing that's canvas size, and these are actually 25 by 35. So I'm going to make an assumption that all of them are 25 by 35. So this one is the roses picture, which I'm hoping this will turn out much better than my last time I attempted this picture. But we'll see, right? We will see. So this one has 30 colors. The legend looks like it's mainly letters. I think the company, as much as it's awesome that they're doing these scallop edges and things like that, they really need to print this bigger. It seems like I don't know, like I don't remember see, this one is really big. See, so I'm not sure why some of them are printed really tiny. So I'm hoping they fix that where they don't need to print this really tiny, because it is really hard to read. But with the inventory sheet, you probably don't need this legend. Okay, so that's that one. And then the last one should be this image here. Do you see it? It's flowers in the vase. And it also still has an inventory sheet, which is printed really, really big. I like that. So yeah. It's also really hard to tell since it is a square. Squares usually don't show up well on the canvas, but this one only has 20 colors, so this should be pretty easy. Well, easy-ish. And I was thinking the background should all be color blocking-ish, but it looks like there's a little bit more confetti in the background than I think. So yeah. And I think, yeah, I showed you all the images. Yeah, that's all the 4 images. So if you do want to, oh, this one is $16.99. So the first one was $15.99, and this 4-pack is $16.99, and they are all full square diamond paintings. They do come with this really awesome tray. I think I just like it for just a tray. But in case, since I have actually completed some of the diamond paintings from Saner Direct from my previous 4-pack that I had gotten before I started my channel, or no, I might have put it in my channel in the very early part of my channel. So I had bought a previous Saner Direct 4-pack, and I've done 2 of the 4. It was a 4 seasons thing. I should do the spring one. So yeah, here is the fall one, and I think this turned out really, really awesome. I think considering this is only a 25 by 35. So I'm hoping, that's why even though I can't tell if it will turn out based off of this because the colors are not that prominent in squares, I'm hoping based off of this image, which I think considering it's a 25 by 35 and a really detailed image, I thought this turned out really, really good. I also did the winter one, which I don't think turned out as well as this fall one. So I'm gonna just be hopefully optimistic that they're all gonna turn out similarly well as this fall one, considering the size. So now I'm thinking I need to kit up the spring one and do the spring one. But yeah, so in case you want to see, but these are round, so I don't know how this square is gonna turn out, but yeah, if you want to get one of these, I'll put the links below, and thank you to Saner Direct, or on Amazon they're called Saner Craft, for allowing me to do this product review. All right, thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye.